shout out Ankole Media Production amazina nkaburijo mbanja Skyna no mushiki wanyu kandi burijo nkaburijo mutimanya kumbanyizaha bambinire buri kimwe cyona kimukwenda kumanya noenda kumanya ba celebrities abaruho noenda kumanya umushija rukusinga yo Burundi omba celebrities noenda kumanya orugambo bwenu noenda kura vibe iwe following aha YouTube, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook hamwe na Twitter oboni mbanyi no mushija mukuru aha
how are you Skyna no yo ndana Skyna na kishikarundi modo
yeah man
how are you
I'm good, how are you
right cute oruko mwendi wenta mpikira nyonkwereze Sky
yeah man
have no problem with it yes abare bitu bankore media twabakira ka twabatishemererwa ugune Beyazini ZDG I'm doing it with Skyna na official you know ekintu kikwenda kubanjura on this ankore turingai
Ankole Media Production.
Ankole Media, which tutakagambira byinshi subscribe to us, you follow us, following like Skyna, following Beyazini, following Ankole Media in all social media platforms.
And them Swaga promoter in advance.
Yeah man, you know, and don't forget Off Savage or kubana atkwata every time, you know.
Kamera wota mugambire nakara. Hey!
Yes, omurewutu Ankole Media ekintu kikwenda kwanjuririza ntwenda kwanjura.
Twenda kwanjura program yitu NSA twenda kubaletera Ankole Media Production and that is twajituma omwerato.
Omwerato in slang language. You just say it in Slayers language.
Omwerato.
Oh
my god.
And if I'm Muchiga, omwerato.
I love the way you say that.
Yes. Iwe ryo komurebi witotebwa program tukuza kuretera yo mwerato tuza kuba tuneme ibintu byingi tugamba celebrities tugamba lifestyle slang style modern ways of doing how to dress how to slay how to drink how to choose someone
fire.
Yes.
Okay, that's it of course. Otakayiba kuza Ankole Media Production, that is YouTube channel yitu, okaji followinga, okalikinga videos zitu, okazi sharinga, kandi otakayiba kutuhereza big thumbs up, otakayiba clickinga notification button kwenda ngweshi tura dropping bati Ankole Media Production na mnonga nanyine ZJ Beyazini.
Gamba most handsome guy.
Most handsome guy.
And a lovable guy.
Lovable guy.
I do love girls.
Oh my god.
Yo, yes, ntuzakuba ntukushanga on field most of the times. Ntuzaguma tukushanga hori. If you need us, just tap on us.
Specifically this program, ntuzakuba ntujikora mu field. Tukuba nturuganka ha tugana celebrity, we talk about him, to the background yeye, atukozera atakwika hari, dressing code yeye, scandals yezi yarafunire kuyihatandika music industry, ninga comedy industry, ninga movie industry. Of course, ntukuba tubaletire
yes, mutebwa no kuteza ubushani as super shoots.
Yeah man.
Still it is one of our projects as turimo tutambuza. Yes, program yetu turimo tubagambira nayo mwerato everything iwacho rakore guma not following every time ngeno tebwe kubanira.
Off Savage pan the camera.
Na munonga bishiki.
Abishi we are coming there your way.
Kota kufu. I need girls and single ones.
Okay, that's not the content.
No mwerato.
Omwerato.
I love it in slang language like unfortunately think muba bwacu nagambira munongo rukiga.
Bakakwita.
Omwera.
Ayarkwegise niwe yakwisira.
Omwera.
Is omwerato?
Omwerato.
Ustegera.
Omwerato.
Yeah.
What do they eat to speak it? Huh? Never yet kugamba because it's like Slayers have their main food.
Yeah. No ice cream for that sake.
Hey. Ati abaragwa ari muhugu yitukajigishura tukajinena. So tindaze kubigamba. Ataga Kristo nyondaze kwigambira uciga mwera atse wano kwera ata kunka no mwerato omwekora. Karo mwerato banange omwekora.
Yeah, that program is coming your way.
Ninyendo ngambira Sky ugambira bitu omushisha kusinga yo Burundi mu industry ya Western Uganda.
Ndamugamba kuba namugamba muza kunyiturite mu bamuntera ndamugambe Beyazini leave me alone ndamugambe.
No, you have told them.
Ndamugambe.
Kare ntuzakushango kwiwa horo tureba kurugezesha ito ntuzakwa ntujita program every day. I think every day. Make sure that you follow us
channel or following the videos or liking or sharing. Click the notification button. When I'm going to dropping the Ankole Media Production YouTube channel yitu.
Yes, support us. Avantaba kwenda support. If you need to do adverts with us, you just come and contact us to steer.
We have so many WhatsApp groups, so whatever box in the link, just follow it.
Yes, iwechora kule tushango mbasipaka arum namba 50 ninga tufollow media platforms.